Kuya Ethan? Palakpakan naman dyan. Kuya Ethan is the younger brother of our debutant. Next, we have Kuya Aaron. Kuya Aaron is the third child of Prane family. And he is also celebrating his birthday tonight. Happy birthday, Kuya Ethan. Ay, sorry, Kuya Aaron. Sorry, dito para Kuya Aaron. Happy birthday, happy 13th birthday. Next, we have ang pogi-pogi, syempre. Si Elrich. Si Aba. Nahiya pa. Si Elrich ang bunso. The youngest son of Prane family. Masyado naman shy type ng mga kapatid mo? Pogi pa naman. And of course, the very proud parents. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Romel Plane and Mrs. Emily Plane. Wow! Ang napaka-sexy at wala pa kupas-kupas. Sila po, ang happy family ng Plane family. Ayan. So, dyan lang kayo. Birthday comes once a year, and an 18th birthday comes in a lifetime. It is such a tremendous celebration for all growing up teenagers. This is their first year of their adulthood and the most precious birthday among all. It brings them the freedom of life and great opportunity to choose everything by their own decision. Pero sabi nga nila, as a young adult, you should learn to take full responsibility of your decision and actions. So, to our debutant Aiko, welcome to the real world of mature people. Here you get to define your own world, experience the new crazy ride of adulthood, be bold and be queen. Meaning, rule the world and live life to the fullest. Without further ado, ay tawagin na natin ang birthday girl. Alam ko naman na excited na kayong lahat na makita ang napakaganda nating birthday celebrant. Excited na ba? Ay, parang hindi pa ako kasi magutom na. Excited na ba kayo? Yun, excited na ba? Excited na pala. Ladies and gentlemen, sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan at tunghayan ang ating napakaganda at napaka-eleganteng debutant. Let us all stand and we are all the very beautiful Miss April Plane. Please all stand. Wow! Wearing a minimalist, elegant royal blue gown, the simplicity of the gown make our debutant stunning. There you have, ladies and gentlemen, the very gorgeous Miss Aiko.